We touched on this a little bit last time, but as part of the H-2B requirements, employers are required to test the U.S. labor market to prove that they're not, disadvantaging any U.S. workers, and they're required to hire U.S. workers first. As part of that process, they have to post an internal posting notice once they have been issued a notice of acceptance by Department of Labor. That it goes in two places at their place of business for their U.S. workers to see, make referrals to apply to the job if they're interested. They're also required to, their job gets posted on seasonaljobs.gov. The government posts that for them, and they have to field applicants that are qualified U.S. applicants. They also post their job proactively on their state workforce agency website. And again, must field any U.S. applicant, interview them, and hire them if they can't be lawfully disqualified, or if they're if they're not interested. Obviously, they don't have to hire them, but they have to go through that process to ensure there aren't any U.S. workers that are willing to fill the job. Another key recruitment item is contacting prior U.S. employees. So any U.S. employee that was laid off, or pretty much any U.S. employee that has worked for them in the past year that was not terminated for cause or didn't quit or abscond, are supposed to be notified of the opportunity. And they have to keep, as part of this process, again, they have to keep evidence of this. They have to fill out their recruitment report and write down any applicants and what the outcome was. They have to keep copies of their posting notices. If there are interviews, they need to keep their interview notes. And I'd have pictures of their posting notices to make sure that they've posted them as required. They also need to have copies of their certified mail for sending the letters to prior U.S. workers. These are all very important items they need to keep in their audit file for at least 3 years, in case the government asks for evidence that they've complied with all of these requirements in order to protect U.S. workers and ensure the U.S. labor pool is such that they need the H-2B. They're testing the market to prove that they can't find a qualified U.S. worker.